Hi everybody, I'm Arno. I am one of the four brothers. I don't even think we did a proper introduction, but just quickly, at the furthest end is Roan, he's the youngest, then Franco, second oldest, and John, the third child, and me, Arno.
Hi guys.
Yes, we're heading off to the BBC and we're going to barbecue some lamb and pork kebabs. So let's go!
Welcome at the Brothers Braai Club.
If you like awesome knives, food, and want to learn a little bit more about Africa, please subscribe to our channel and please help us with the YouTube algorithm and smash that like button.
We are full-time knife makers and we are not professional chefs. If we can do this, so can you. Let's get started.
So let me show you the ingredients we're going to use for these kebabs. We cut red peppers and green peppers into 1-inch blocks, and we also got bacon, and we're going to wrap the pickled onions in the bacon, and then we got the meat.
Okay guys, the most important part of this recipe is the marinade. So the meat needs to rest in this marinade for 24 hours. So let me take you back and show you how I made this. Okay, so my cast iron skillet is nice and warm. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And I've already cut my onions into small little blocks. So you're going to add that onto your kebab between the meat. So we're going to give this a nice brown. I've also got my garlic that I just crushed, so you can see it's garlic, little garlic pieces. So I'm going to add that. Add my onions. Turn down the heat a little bit so it's not more of a simmer. So you just want to get these onions soft, and then you'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so the onions are nice and soft, so I'm going to add my curry. So it's just a medium curry. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to give it another good stir. Just let it fry for a minute or two. Okay, so I fried the curry a bit. So now I'm going to add all the rest of the ingredients. So what I have here is turmeric, a teaspoon. Add that. Half a teaspoon coriander. This is all fine spices, finely grounded. There's half a teaspoon, then a quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper. That's a little bit of extra spice. And then you add 3 bay leaves. I'm going to add some wine vinegar. That's 250 ml. this. And then you just add a teaspoon of ginger. Also good fine ginger. And give everything a good stir. So now we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes and then let it cool down, and then we'll add the milk. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part of this recipe is homemade apricot jam. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. Get a bit of sweetness. Let's turn this down. Just let it simmer for 10 minutes. So it's been simmering for 10 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat down and let it rest for another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pour the milk in, and then we'll pour it over the meat and put it in the fridge and let it rest for 24 hours. And then tomorrow we'll have a barbecue. So we're at the end of the marinade. This has cooled down and I'm going to add the milk. And as you can see around this little box, I've made quite a mess. And this is actually Arno's workstation. So guys, we're not professionals. If we can do it, you can do it. So let's get this marinade in this container. It's nice and sticky. So now we add a cup of milk. Give it a good stir. Yep, see all those nice flavors and colors and everything coming together. Now we just pour it over the pork and the lamb. Now, this is where it gets messy. You have to get in there, just get that marinade everywhere. All the meat is covered. So this is all done. Now it's ready for the fridge. It's going to be in the fridge for 24 hours and we'll fry it tomorrow.
No, I'm just joking. It tastes fantastic. Let's assemble that first kebab. Let's get started.
This looks absolutely gorgeous. These kebabs turned out beautiful. I think they're going to be delicious. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Make sure you smash that like button.
Yeah, guys, let's sit down and eat.
Cheers.
Welcome at the Brothers Bride Club.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash that like button.
And we are not chefs, guys, so if you can do this, if I can do this, you can.